Pastọ anụnwa dị isi ka ife oke takasịrị isi ọkwa isisi ite baskoro si na ọma na Loveth ejego n'ụlọ ụka evangelist Ebuka Obi bifo ọbịa n'ụlọ ụka ya ogbuori ya amụma. Pastọ tụbalụ nwunye mmadụ ime lentịgharị ya ụlọ mụgharị ya nwa. Pastọ na-akụ nwunye ya akụ. Pastọ nwegasịrị ebe ọ lentere ụlọ wee na-alarị ma ndị na-anụ di ma ndị agha anụ di nọrọ ebe ahụ na-aṅụfegharị ikpu na-ede. Pastọ na-abọwarịfa na-etiwarịfa. Pastọ na-eti nwunye ya ife maka na nwunye ya amụtaghị nwa. Sinsi pastọ ji wee nụ nwunye ya ime na-esiri nwaanyị mmadụ ike. Ụmụnne pastọ bịa n'ụlọ ebe nye na nwunye bi fa na-akparị nwunye nke bụ na nwunye pastọ ụnụ na-afụ ebe a onwe ha akaụntụ na bankị di ya ekweghọ ka ọ rụọ ọrụ. Nwunye pastọ anụnwa wee bịa n'ụlọ ụka di ya ụnụ na-afụ wee na-ele olive oil wee na-ele mmiri nsọ kama na ọ gwaghọ di ya anụnwa bụ pastọ na ọnya nwa na-emekwanụ dị bizinesi. Nwaanyị nwere ndị o tiri fa na-emere ya dị bizinesi na-akwa iri ego na akaụntụ ya. Mgbe di ya anụnwa bụ pastọ ji wee chọpụta na nwunye ya enwe ya bụ bizinesi, di ya anụnwa wee kpọọ ndị bankị wee jụọ afa ego one dị na akaụntụ nwunye ya na ọ chọrọ ịkwụnyelu nwunye ya biliọnụ. Ndị bankị wee gwa ya ego one dị na akaụntụ nwunye ya. Pastọ unu furu ebe a wee jide nwunye ya wee tibe ife wee gbachido ya ụzọ nalụ nwunye ya fonu ya ka nwunye ya ghara ịkpọ mmadụ ka a bịa zọpụtakwana ya. Amaghị m ife bụ ebumnobi ya n'ọchọ ka nwaanyị mmadụ nọrọ ebe ahụ nwa. Nwunye ya nọgokwa n'ime ebe ahụ o kpochidoro ya 2 weeks ka 3 weeks wee sị ya bụ nwaanyị na ụkwa gwara ya na oyi eme bizinesi nke bụ na ndị uwe ojii jezi wee kpọpụta nwunye pastọ n'ebe pastọ gbachidoro ụzọ ọdụka ochowere ka akpọ ochowere wee kpọọ ndị uwe ojii wee buru nwaanyị jebe na kọstọdị ndị uwe ojii. Nwaanyị wee ruo ebe ahụ wee bọghe otele pastọ anụnwa ụnụ na-afụ ebe a wee na-akọrọ ndị uwe ojii ka di ya ụnụ fụrụ ebe a si emegide ya na-eti ya ife ka ụmụnne di ya si akpọrọ ya. Pastọ atụchapụbeghị ife dị ya n'anya. Ọ bụrụ Loveth ka ọ na-egbulu amụma na-afụrụ ụzọ. O wee sị na Loveth nwere shọpụ na ole ntere mmadụ shọpụ na onye ole ntere shọpụ na-ata ya amoosu. Loveth na-ele ọkịrịka ka ekwanụ mbọsị Loveth nwekwazi shọpụ. O si na nwanne papa Loveth nke nwoke na ọnya nwa bụ onye nọ n'otu nzuzo na ọnya kechiri Loveth n'aka ọtụlụ ọhụụ Loveth ka o si n'ikpu Loveth ka ala Loveth ka ọhụ ya kpatalụ na Loveth anụghị di na amụma niile ahụ unu nụrụ o gburu Loveth n'ife mere eme na nke Ebuka Obi gburu abụghị na amụma na ọnya nwa bụkwa king of amụma nya na ndị amụma ndị ọzọ na fa na-amụrụkwa na-amụrụ n'aka ya. Nwunye pastọ anụnwa wee na-akọwa na ọgbagokwa anụ pastọ nya hapụ ya ka ọ nabazie na nya bụ anụmdi na nwunye na ike agwụgie na ka o si emegide ya na ka o si agwa ya okwu na ọgwụgo ya ike. Pastọ anụnwa unu fụrụ ebe a wee jụọ ọchịcha wee jụọ ọgịga na nwaanyị mmadụ aya ana na nwaanyị aya eme bizinesi na nwaanyị aya aṅụ mmiri ka ọ tọwa iko. Ọha na ajọ mmadụ ka ọ bụ. Ifubehọlụ nwunye gị ọfụ ka ime nwaanyị mmadụ ka obi dị ya mma ka ụmụ nwaanyị ibe ya mana iyi eje na-egburu ndị ọzọ amụma nọrọ ebe a na-etu ọnụ n'ọgụ bụ king of amụma na ndị ọzọ amaghọ n'ifefa na-eme n'ọgụ a bụ onye Chineke kpọrọ oku mana iyi eje buru nwaanyị na-anụ di na-abọwarị ya na-etiwarị ya were ya na-agbara iche na mmadụ bụ egwu. Nwaanyị mụọrụghị nwa nwaanyị mụgokwalụ nwa be di ya ile ntịgharị ya ụlọ na-anụ ya mana ị nwere nwunye ị na-anụ. Gwa m ebe Baịbụl si ego ije nalụ nwoke ibe na-anụ nwaanyị nwunye ya ka ị na-anụ ọ na ịfụhụ ma agbanwe ya atụwa ime ọ bụrụzie nwaanyị na-anụ di ka ije tụwa ime. Hapụ unu ka unu gekwa n'ife o kwuru ọ kọwara n'ọma na Loveth ejebugo n'ụlọ ụka evangelist Ebuka Obi bifo ọbịa n'ụlọ ụka ya ogbuori ya amụma. Pastọ na ebe a wee na-asị na esizikwa na amụma o gburu Loveth bụ asị na gobiazikwa n'ụlọ ụka ya ka o gbuoru ha amụma mana ndị Kristian a na-egbusisi unu egbubekwa amụma maka ya ede afụrụ ndị ọzọ ka unu na-afụ.
Bloggers as a voice, another channel God used to correct the church. All those bloggers that we call and accuse the church and accuse pastors, they are another voice because if they are not there, probably the church would have made a lot of mistakes. Am I right? Yes, so I appreciate many of the bloggers. So some weeks ago, a lady came to the church here. The lady that went to a particular church in Lagos and said she gave a testimony, and the testimony caused a lot of problem, and there was shaking all over the whole place. Oh, fake, oh, arrange, oh, this or that. So when the lady came here, a lot of people noticed her, and they wrote series of notes to me, whether to drive her away from the church. And Pastor Josephine is here. I told them no. Is that true? I said, we don't drive anybody from church. If she's here, give her a good seat to sit down, and I'm going to prophesy to her. And you were here during prophecy, I gave her prophecy. After giving her the prophecy, the media people refused to post the prophecy. So Wise Man Daniel called me and said, Daddy, we are not posting the prophecy of this guy. I said, no, post it. Let the world know that she was also in my church. She didn't come to give testimony here. Neither did she say I should prophesy to her. I prophesied to her. And we know very well that she has been in a church in Lagos that caused problem. Her face is everywhere. Am I correct? Yes, sir. So we were not hiding anything. And we show it to everybody. So the truth is, there is no court order that say nobody should pray for that lady or she should not go to church. Is there any court order like that? No. Imagine that day that they were sending papers to me. Some of the papers they sent to me are still on the altar. That, oh, this girl that caused that problem in Lagos, she's here. Let's drive her away. Daddy, we want to drive. Assuming we were not driving her away, and the camera picked where some people are dragging somebody from the church, it will also be a bad news against the church. We posted the prophecy. We know very well that she has been to that church in Lagos. We were not hiding anything. We didn't cover her face. So because we have nothing to hide, and the prophecy we gave her is the truth. We posted the prophecy. Is that not true? We all saw her here. Did you not see her? So we are not hiding anything. That you are not attaching my face and saying that, oh, this place, they used to arrange me. We don't arrange prophecy here. Now me be the king of prophecy. How are you, brother? You're from where? Huh?
From Ahoda.
You're from Ahoda?
Yes, sir.
You're from which village? Mention the place.
I'm from Ihwaba.
In where?
In Ahoda East Local Government, sir.
And you want to receive prophecy now?
Yes, sir.
For the first time?
Yes, sir.
And you didn't tell me anything?
Yes, sir.
You didn't tell anybody?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Clap for Jesus Christ. Make sure your compound name.
My compound name is late Chief Chibogo Nelson EA in Ihwaba, Ahoda East Local Government.
Okay. But this thing I want to tell you, brother, is because this is the only way you can be delivered. That is why I'm showing your face.
Amen.
So, as I am here, I won't be ashamed. Because to be alive is better in everything. There is an object that is moving around your body.
Correct, sir.
And there is hotness.
Accurate, sir.
And you have, there's a lady I'm seeing with you. Like somebody you want to marry.
Yes, Daddy.
She's from Akwa Ibom.
Yes, she's my fiancée. That is she.
Come here.
There's a moving object in his body and it's very hot.
You are from where?
Akwa Ibom.
Huh?
Akwa Ibom.
And you didn't tell me?
Yes, Daddy. I did
You
not
didn't
tell
tell
you.
the church members?
No, Daddy.
Clap for Jesus Christ. So, you have followed this, your fiancé, to different altars.
Daddy, different altars, many places. We have traveled to many
because
places.
Of his health.
Yes, Daddy.
You followed him there.
Yes, Daddy.
And you don't know why he's sick.
I don't know.
Oh, I will tell you today.
Okay, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy.
L'homme de Dieu a révélé qu'il y a quelque chose qui marche dans le corps de cet homme et il s'achauffe aussi et il a accepté que c'est vrai.
So, brother,
Yes, Daddy.
there is something that is bringing this death. And earlier you will be fast so that I can correct it for you.
Okay, Daddy.
Are you hearing me?
Yes, Daddy.
So, normally if I want to give this type of prophecy, I don't show your face. But God said, this one, there's a need to show the face. So that it will be delivered.
Amen. Thank you, Daddy.
So, some time ago, you stole from a shrine.
Accurate, sir.
The name of that shrine is Adego. Adego. Something like that. I'm trying to call it in the spirit. You stole money from the shrine.
Yes, Daddy.
But your fiancé don't know.
Yes, it's my father's shrine.
Your father's shrine.
Yes, Daddy.
And also, you also stole one of your brother's properties.
Yes, Daddy.
A man's property and you sold them.
Yes, Daddy.
And they were accusing another person.
My elder brother.
You stole his
That
property.
is my half brother. but he's my elder brother.
You stole his property.
Yes, Daddy.
And there were swear, so many swear and swear. And then in a particular hotel, that hotel has something to do with star. I'm seeing it. Star. There is star in that hotel. You also stole money there.
The Crip Lifestyle Hotel.
Chris what?
The Crip Lifestyle Hotel.
And they accused an job boy. They accused someone else. Until today, they believe that it's that man, is the person that stole the money.
Tare.
Yes. They accuse him. You have to correct this thing now.
La cause de tous les problèmes, c'est parce que tu as volé l'argent dans un sépulcre. Et quand tu as volé l'argent dans un sépulcre, tu as aussi volé l'argent de la propriété de ton frère. Et on a accusé d'autres personnes.
What I told him now is what even his parents, nobody in this world know about him. There is nothing that will make him to tell you something like that. So what is fake in what I do now?
The Spirit of God revealed that he has stolen from many places.
I told many people, don't light or rig light and be talking nonsense. There are people that have the gift of prophecy. So I want you to pay that money to me.
Okay, Daddy.
So that I go eat them.
Daddy, I was told in the dream. I was told in the dream that you are the only one that can remove the object in my stomach. I wrote the date down.
They told you in the dream.
Yes, I wrote it down.
I am the only
person
that
there is no place
clap,
that
clap
will
for
go.
Jesus Christ.
I wrote it down.
C'est donc qu'il a été révélé dans son rêve que c'est seulement l'homme de Dieu qui peut lui délivrer.
It was revealed to him in a dream that only senior prophet your miracle that can deliver him.
In the dream I died and you wake me up.
You die and I wake you up.
Yes, I told my woman.
Clap for Jesus Christ. I prophesy to you, Abi. Edda, come. Come. I prophesy to you.
Yes.
I gave you prophecy.
Russia. Marika, you did that.
Did you tell me?
Not at all.
Did you tell anybody?
I never know you before, right?
Did you write it as prayer point to give me?
There is nothing like that.
Yeah.
Marika.
See, I have prophesied to commissioners of police. I have prophesied to AIGs. I have prophesied to army generals. I have prophesied to DSS. So, and another thing I will also tell you, those of you that are always confused, I love you, I love the work you are doing. But sometimes also think, the lady in question was not a hidden person. And when she came here, all of us were aware that she was here. And we posted the prophecy, not that somebody caught her or somebody recognized her or she came here to testify. She didn't come here to testify. Neither did she say I should prophesy to her. I prophesied to her as much as I prophesied to others. Amen? Come, I prophesied to you, right?
Yes, sir.
Eh?
Yes, sir.
Did I pay you?
No.
Did I pay you?
No.
This man you see here is the chairman of Tinubu campaign, Abi?
Yeah, BOT
organization.
chairman. BOT
for the whole country. So, did I not give you prophecy?
You give the prophecy.
I told you exactly what was wrong with you.
And you mentioned something, one of my friends, you mentioned DUG.
And I mentioned names for you. Did you tell anybody?
No.
How much did we hire you?
No.
Hey.
I'm more than higher.
And I am sure I also gave you prophecy, Abi?
Yes, exactly.
Did you tell me?
At all.
Did you tell anybody? Eh?
Nobody.
Did you whisper to anybody in the hotel?
No, at all.
No. Please show their face. Don't be. So, it's not like bringing your rig light and don't be talking anything. You call, make me to prophesy to you.